Hey guys, I want to take a second and unpack the four types of collaboration. Over our years of research in applying collaboration to our own businesses and also to now entrepreneurs all over the world, we have defined the four different types of collaboration, and I'll jump right into them. The first type of collaboration in our hierarchy is partner collaborations. And here's the great news. You're already doing it. You already have partner collaborations. When you think about partner collaborations, I'd like for you to just take a second and think about the top 5 or 10 clients that you have. How about pick the name of one, maybe 2, likely 3 or 4 have already popped into your mind. Those top 5 or 10 collaborations we deem are already partner collaborations because the definition of a partner collaboration is a relationship that you have where this partner collaboration would give slight suggestions. Sometimes you would receive them as complaints to things that you might consider to improve or enhance the value that your product or service, and ultimately your organization, is providing in the relationship. And you heed those polite suggestions. You go back to your skunk works, you massage your product or service, you increase the amount of value perceived to someone who is already paying you, and the best thing is, they continue paying you. So some of us have been in businesses for a long time. Think of those relationships that you've had for 5, 10, 15, maybe even 20 years long and running, and along those years, you look backwards, and there's been times that they've made suggestions, as I said, sometimes complaints. You've made some changes and they continue to pay you for years and years. In addition to that, those polite suggestions, whenever you took them, made a change, delivered that back to your hero target and hero targets, your business continued to grow. So for me, partner collaborations, super important. A couple quick tips, name them. Empower those that are paying you each and every month, are coming to you every time they need something. Let them stand out. Let them self-identify. Just by giving them a name, you're able to empower them to now become an ambassador for you and meet with them, not just individually, but collectively. I have many entrepreneurs around the world who have named their partner collaborations, giving them the ability to self-identify, and they bring them together once a quarter. And additionally, sometimes once a year. And bring them together once a year, they're able to let them cross-pollinate with ideas, assuming all of them are different type businesses. You get an immense amount of value out of the conversation. And best of all, you add it to your product or service. They continue being your partner collaboration, and they go and tell somebody about the way you approach your partner collaborations. So I hope that was helpful for the type of partner collaborations as we continue to learn about the art of collaboration. Thank you.